Yo, 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 yo! Welcome to Talk to Us in English. I'm Mr. Yusuf from Comoros. Leo ngasi haroma ya darasa ya 8. Let's eat out. It means yefasaramo, let's go to a restaurant. Narende haroma restaurant to eat rale bahino. Let's eat out. Narende haruma restaurant rade bahiro. Hiyo defasiramo. Let's eat. Yefasiramo narile. Yaweka nga wala tabuni ndio inaanza na udefami. Mwanzo mwambie ukana narile helwa shigereza. Bojamba ukana let's eat. Please. Narile kwezi. Sheka rejizele kalima la out. Yefasiramo narende haruma restaurant rade bahiro. Let's eat out. No, Asha. Let's eat in. It means let's eat at home. Yefasirabo narile unudahoni. Let's eat in. Narile unudahoni. Wanama watukufu. Eko wenye ruhangwa rongwa wako na baukana. Let's eat out. Ashe. Wanga ukana. Let's eat out. Ira. Ambarishi. Let's eat out. Let's eat out. Aywa. Let's eat in. Aywa. Let's eat in. Obama. Okay. Let's eat out. Narende haruma restaurant rale bahino. No, Asha. Let's eat in. Narile hunudahoni. Why? Ye zabari. Zabari wanza urle hunudahoni. Because how come? Because how come? I'm dead broke. Le posho di fuha. Iyo defasiramo. I'm dead broke. Le posho di fuha. Or how I'm broke. Tiremesheha. I'm broke. Tiremesheha. I'm dead broke. Le posho di fuha. Tisati chufu. I'm broke. Tiremesheha. Ngamina baba pesa mbabititi. Don't worry. Yefasiramo utite shughuli. Utikane haja. Don't worry. Utite shughuli. It's on me. Mimi dojo de bloke. Hiyo defasiramo. It's on me. Mimi dojo de bloke. It's on you. Wewe dojo de bloke. It's on Mariam. Mariama dojo de bloke. It's on Yusuf. Usufa dojo de bloke. Yabu tunabekana it's on rikaze de zina la hemno ikao ujoka de bloke. Who's going to pay? Ye ujoka ulibando. Me, dami. You, dawe. It's on me. Mimi ndo ujoka uliba. It's on you. Wewe ndo ujoka uliba. If you don't want your friend, yeka kutuanza mwanzani waho to pay for you, yahulibie, you could say ujombe ukana, please, kwez, hoto kufuao, don't pay for me. Yefasirabo utinlibie. Don't pay for me. Utinlibie. Jomkinisha mwanzo ukana why? Yezabari. Yodefasirabo. Yezabari utunza ni ulibie. You could say ujombe ukana because how come I'm not dead broke. Le posho kajafuha. Rahanja chufu. Or how I'm not broke. Rahanja remesheha. Please, quiz, hutukufuao, pay for me, libye, pay for me, libye. Why? Yezabari, zabari wanza ni mulibye. Because, how come? I'm dead broke, le posho lifuha, si chufu. Or how? I'm broke, tisa tiremesheha. Wanama watukufu, mrukadi wazalekani mala 4. Haukai kama ukana, please, don't pay me. Kwezi, hotukufuaho utinlibe, yode fasirabo. Don't pay me, utinlibe. Abo yoti ya kweli. Ujamba ukana, don't pay for me, utinlibie. Ye kama ukana, pay me. Ye fasirabo, libe. Ninke haki ya hangu. Pay me. Gebini wambe ukana, pay for me. Pay for me, libye. Please, kwezi, hutokufuao. Don't pay for me, utinlibye. Why? Yezabari. Because how come I'm not dead broke? Leposho kanjafuha, njaramesheha. Or how, please, quiz, don't pay for me, utsinibie. Why? Yezabari, we can go Dutch. Gejon kinishia haina mruya jilibie. Yode fasirao. Let's go Dutch. Haina mru na jilibie. Yode fasirao. Don't pay for me, utsinibie. Let's go Dutch. Haina mru na jilibie. Haina mru na liwe yembabia hala. Yode fasirao. If you went to a restaurant, you can have a restaurant with your wife, do you say, babe, Sherry, it's on me, Mimi do the bloke. Or how, babe, Sherry, let's go Dutch. If you do that to your wife, shame on you. Aibu yuhuyela. Huparwa na aibu. Iyo defasirabo. Shame on you. Shame on you. Huparwa na aibu. What about you? Yoba, if you went to a restaurant, with your girlfriend, girlfriend hawaram rumanamshe. Do you say, babe, Sherry, it's on me, Mimi, do the bloke. Or how, babe, Sherry, let's go Dutch. Or how, babe, Sherry, I forgot my wallet today. Sidiwaza iportofeya hangu leo. Hiyo defasirabu. I forgot, sidiwaza, my wallet iportofeya hangu today, leo. If you do that to your girlfriend, yekawa uzirenda, yehawarahu, shame on you. Aibu ihuela, uparwa na aibu. Shame on Mariam. Mariam haparwa na aibu. Shame on, ukazali zina la hemru. Shame on me, ziparwa na aibu. Let's eat out. Narende haruma restaurant ralemba hiru. No, Asha. Let's eat in. Narende hunuda honi. Why? Yezabari. Because how come I'm dead broke? Leposho lifuha. Sichufu. Or how? Because how come I'm broke? Sisati remeshea. Don't worry. Utsite shughuli. Don't worry. Utsite shughuli. It's on me today. Mimi do the bloke. Who's gonna pay? Yeutuka ulibando. Me, dami. You, dawe. It's on Mariam. Mariama do the bloke. It's on you. Wewe do the bloke. Yesterday, Jana, it was on me. Mimi denaliba. Today, Leo, it's on you. Wewe do uliba. Wewe do the bloke. Please, quiz, don't pay for me. Why? Yezabare? Because how come I'm not dead broke? Leposho kanjafuha, njachufu, rahanjara mesheha. Or how I'm not broke, rahanjara mesheha. Please, quiz, pay for me, Libye. Why? Yezabare? Because how come I'm dead broke? Leposho lifuha, tichufu, tihanga. Or how I'm broke, tisati remesheha. Are you dead broke? Yehusa huchufu, yeleposho la lifuha. Are you broke? Yehusa huremesheha. No, I'm not. Asha, rahanja remesheha. Are you dead broke? Yele posho la ulisanifuha. Yehusa huremesheha. Yehusa huchufu. If you're dead broke, yekale husa huremesheha. You could say hujambeukana, yes I am. Naam tisati remesheha. Naam le posho lifuha. Let's eat out. Narende la debahiru. Who's going to pay? Yeutoka ulibando. Me, dami. You, dawe. It's on me today. Mimi dojoka uliba. It's not on me. Mimi dojoka the bloke. It's on you. Wewe dojoka the bloke. It's not on me. Me means sina kabda